Hello friends, this is Dr. Riddhi, and even after making a video on which is the best toothpaste out there for you, and the explanation that I have given, still a lot of my patients asked me in a personal WhatsApp that which toothpaste you use. They still much concerned about the kind of toothpaste should be used, and they wanted to have the brand name. So without giving a brand name, I would suggest any toothpaste that doesn't have abrasive substance in it, like very coarse particle, very jelly kind of a toothpaste you can avoid using, and switch to the paste form toothpaste. Specifically Ved Shakti, Dant Shakti, or any sort of the paste that is Ayurveda and Amla based content. I'm not against the Ayurvedic products. Even I use in my personal life, I have a lot of skincare going around which is Ayurveda based. But in terms of toothpaste, if we talk about, having said that, it has coarse particle which doesn't really incline with the kind of consistency and the kind of the content we need, and it is not proven. So I would suggest going off with any toothpaste in the market which is in a paste form. It be Colgate or Pepsodent or any work, but it should not be gel based, or it should not have a coarse particle in it. Now, one more technique that I'm going to show you is, I have one paste with me, and this is the toothbrush. If you take your वो जो market size में वो दिखाते हैं to have that bigger bulginess over your tooth kind of a paste, it doesn't work that way. You just need a pea-sized paste, and that should be on your toothbrush. You can put your paste 90 degree and just press it against it. ये बंद है आगे से तो मैं वो नहीं दिखा रही हूँ, बट यू कैन जस्ट पुट योर पेस्ट 90 डिग्री एंड प्रेस इट अगेंस्ट योर ब्रश. सो वो पेस्ट है ना अंदर उतर जाएगा, ठीक है, एंड इट डजंट जस्ट गेट ऑफ व्हेन यू ब्रश योर टीथ. बहुत ज़्यादा हम लेते हैं और ब्रश पे जब घुमाते हैं ना तो काफ़ी सारा तो हम जैसे गागल करते हैं बीच में, तो वैसे ही गिर जाता है, तो इट इज़ यूजलेस, राइट. वो ब्रिस्टल के बीच में फंसना चाहिए, दैट वे इट कैन वर्क फॉर यू बेटर. अभी आई हैव अ मॉडल brushing technique that I'm showing. You should brush in a circular motion, which is like this for any side of your teeth. And if you're doing it inside, yes, inside brushing is very important. I've heard many patients who are not even knowing that inside brushing is very important. You have a lot of salivary glands here, so यहाँ पे खाना फंसना very common inside. So inside brushing में ऐसे 45 degree brush रख के push and pull stroke देके you can brush it like this. Like this. For upper you can do it like this, 45 degree again, like this, and brush in front. You can brush like this, okay. And this is the circular motion that you should use both the side, not like this. और ब्रशिंग भाई नहीं करना है 10-15 मिनट के लिए. लोगों को है कि इफ़ आई ब्रश माई टीथ फॉर 15 minutes it will work for me. No, it doesn't work that way. जस्ट 120 seconds इज़ मोर देन इनफ. बट उस टाइम पे आपको फिर चाय नहीं चढ़ानी है, पानी बॉईल करने नहीं रखना है. योर मिरर इन योर ब्रश, इट हैज़ टू बी डन दैट वे. So that way if you do it, it works wonders for you, and it really help your oral health. And you can use floss. वो जो मार्केट में वो पिन वाला आता है, that doesn't work. Floss with the really nice thread works. वो ओरल बी का भी आता है, और many other brand and company like GC company का भी. You can use that. I'm using with the GC one, and आपको उसका डेमो चाहिए तो ask me in the video, I'll show that. But a basic brushing technique, and the paste you use has to be in a proper consistency, proper time you maintain. It works that way. Morning brush and a night brush is before bed is very important, and night brushing is even more important than the morning, because हमने पूरे दिन जो खाया है वो हमको निकालना होता है. मॉर्निंग में you can brush before breakfast or after breakfast, it doesn't bother. You can go anyway, but 2 times brush is as basic as you can do. And also gargling frequency, if you improve, it work well for you. If you eat any sort of snacks or mid meals और सम स्नैक बिटवीन द मील्स, तो उसके बाद ब्रशिंग करिए, गार्गलिंग करिए. इट वर्क्स वेल. आप ब्रश करते हो तो नथिंग लाइक दैट, बट यू कैन डेफिनेटली gargle then after. And I hope this tips will help you. So yeah, thank you so much.